How to rank #1 on YouTube. Yes, that's what I'm going to teach you today. I'm going to show you the exact method I use to rank my videos and get views. A lot of you guys asked me to create a video about how to SEO the videos properly. Watch this video till the end. I'm sure this video has knowledge of more than a $2,000 YouTube course, and you can learn all these things for free. You just need to learn this QST strategy. You will see the difference once you learn this strategy and apply it to every video. Q stands for quality content. It doesn't matter what you do if your videos are low quality and don't provide enough value to the audience. People will not watch your videos. Make sure to pick a good niche and create videos better than your competitors. So the next question is, what is a quality video? To answer that question, we need to discuss 3 things: niche, content, and presentation. You should have a good niche, which means a niche with low competition, but it should also have a good audience. If you check my channel, you will be able to find a lot of new niches, so I'm not going to talk about niches in this video. The next main factor is the content of your video. You should provide what your viewers actually want. You can't just make random videos. Your videos must provide some value to the audience. The third factor is how you present your video to the audience. YouTube automation is a very competitive business model for beginners, and that's why your videos must be unique. That's where the video editing skills come into play, so make sure to present your videos in a unique style. The next letter, which is S, stands for SEO, in other words, search engine optimization. This process is the next important factor that a lot of beginners ignore. Because of that, they don't get enough views. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this SEO part correctly, from scratch. For this, I'm going to use a special tool, and it's called vidIQ. This is a paid tool, but you can get it for just $1 from the link in the description. I use this tool for all of my YouTube channels, and it works every time. When it comes to ranking your videos on YouTube, #1 factor is keywords. That's how the YouTube algorithm understands what your video is about, and it helps the algorithm to show or suggest your videos to the correct audience. Not only for that, when someone searches your video on YouTube, keywords are one of the main things that will determine whether your video will appear in the first page or last page. Let me show you how to find keywords for a specific video. When it comes to a good keyword, it should be low competitive and it should have a good search volume. Here's how I find such keywords for my videos. Let's go to vidIQ. Go to this keyword option and search your main keyword. In this case, I'm going to type YouTube automation. Now, as you can see here, the search volume for this specific keyword is more than 1 million, and it has been considered as a medium competitive keyword. And you can see all the related keywords and matched keywords as well. If you scroll down to the bottom, these are the videos that have this keyword and are trending now. So you can check these top trending videos for your keywords and get a good idea about how many daily views they are getting. Now, I want you to go to this related keywords tab. Here, you will be able to see all the other keywords that are related to this specific keyword, and as you can see here in this table, we have the search volume and the competition, whether it's low, medium, or high. From this keyword list, this specific one, which is YouTube automation niches, has a low competition, and I'm going to select it. Now, as you can see here, we have a very specific keyword with a low competition. Just like before, you will be able to see all the trending videos with this keyword at the bottom of this page. Now, if you want to narrow it down more, go to the related keyword again and search for a low competitive keyword. I'm going to select this one, which is YouTube automation with AI. Now, I want you to copy this keyword and paste it into YouTube search, and let's search this keyword. As you can see here, we have all the trending videos with this keyword, and you will be able to see the top creators that are using this keyword more often. Now, I want you to copy this keyword and press Ctrl+F and paste the keyword here. As you can see here, it shows 19 results, which means there are 18 videos with this exact keyword. Now, if you want to find a keyword that no one has used in their videos, but still related to this main keyword, vidIQ has the option for that as well. Go back to vidIQ and this time go to this matching keywords option. Now, these are the keywords that people are searching for, and that includes your initial keyword. I'm going to select this keyword, which is how I make YouTube automation videos with AI, and let's search this keyword on YouTube and see the results. As you can see here, the result is 0, which means there is not a single video with this specific keyword, but as you can see here, this keyword has a search volume around 3,000. So, if you add this keyword to your video title, your video will appear on the top of the first page when someone searches for it. And that's how I find best keywords for my videos. Now let me show you how to optimize the video title, description, and tags with these keywords. Now, I have added the main keyword that we selected as the title. Also, I added the full course inside brackets. Now, as you can see here, vidIQ has suggested several title suggestions, but in this case, we are going to use this title that we created. Now, the title is done. For the description, always add the title of the video at the top. And we need to add related keywords to this description. So, go back to vidIQ and check the related keywords. I'm going to select these related keywords, and I have added all the keywords and created a natural description like this YouTube automation course in this video. I will show you how to start a faceless YouTube channel step by step. This YouTube automation tutorial is about starting a YouTube channel with the help of AI and making money online. Now, this description has more than 5 related keywords. Once you are done with the description, scroll down and go to the tags. As you can see here, we have some suggested tags as well. Let's add these to the tags. Now, I need you to go to this keyword inspector option and paste the main keyword that we selected. And now, you will be able to get all the related and matching keywords for your word. Add all the necessary keywords by clicking this plus icon. You can add keywords up to 500 letters. Once you add all the related keywords, you need to check this actionable SEO score from this side. If it's higher than 45, then your video has a good SEO score. And guys, that's how you must optimize your videos with keywords to get more views. Now the SEO part is done. Now let's go to the last letter in my strategy. The letter T stands for thumbnail. Thumbnails is the next most important factor when it comes to getting more views on your videos. The first thing a viewer sees is your thumbnail. If your thumbnail is not attractive or it doesn't actually provide any clues about your video, no one is going to click it, even if the video appears on the top of the first page. That's why your thumbnail should be next level. So what you can do is go to YouTube, search your main keyword, and check these thumbnails. Now, you need to create better thumbnails than these top 5 videos. If you can use software like Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, you can make high-quality thumbnails. I have already created full tutorial about how to make thumbnails for your channel. Check this video, and you will be able to make a stunning thumbnail without any issue. If you have enough money to invest on your channel, you can hire a good graphic designer for your thumbnail creation process, but this is optional. If you learn the necessary skills, you can create your own thumbnails. Apply this strategy to your videos. You will probably get a lot of views and your videos will rank on the first page. To be honest, this strategy is not rocket science. Just follow the steps that I showed you. And guys, you can get vidIQ for just $1 using the link in the description. It's normally $49. Now you can try it for just $1. I hope you learned some valuable information from this video. I will see you guys in the next one.